Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. आज ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ new Q card of 2023 ਜੋ ਕਿ ਆਉਣੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜਨ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Okay, so this is the latest Q card. Okay, first of all, जो new viewers हैगे जिन्हें subscribe नहीं किया, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So let's start with today's video. Okay, this is the Q card about describe an achievement that you are proud of. Okay, so this is the Q card. Okay, so the story ki hai Ginrij, this story hai the last year there was a last year in a school or a college जिस चीज से सीखे okay so there was an annual event. Okay, there were around various competitions over there such as tattoo making, or we can say that painting, and many more. More than hundreds of candidates took participate in that competition. Okay, they come from the divergent prestigious school or college. Prestigious means जो well known है गया उन्हें कह सकते हैं. Okay, so in the you can say that I took participate in the photography competition. Okay, they have their own rules and regulations regarding clicking pictures. For example, the candidates clicked pictures only from their own phones. Okay, so as I had iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the best camera of the iPhone. Okay, I clicked pictures of sky, landscapes and flowers. I clicked 10 pictures of sky, flowers and landscapes. Okay, and I submitted to the staff, in which they announced the result after 40 minutes. And I got the first prize. They also have some extra things such as they have a cash, plus they provide you a certificate. Okay, so I got cash plus certificate. Cash plus I had around more than 10,000 or 20,000, whatever you like to do, you can say that. Okay, they used my picture on the front cover brochure or a pamphlet. Okay, kehdi picture sigi? That was a landscape picture of a school or college. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ brochure ਤੇ ਲਾਈ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਸਕੂਲ ਔਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਪੈਂਪਲੇਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਫਰੰਟ ਕਵਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ ਥੋੜੀ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਜੋ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ. And I felt deep sense of happiness. Okay, when I saw my picture, जब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦੇਖੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਸੀਗੇ. Okay, and I clicked the picture of that poster and posted on the social media. I got so many compliments and comments on that particular poster. So that, in the ending ki karange, so that was an achievement which I felt so proud. Okay, so this is all about the Q card of the achievement that you got. Okay, if you please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos to your friends and relatives. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.